Hey, it's Mike. I'm in the garage shop today and I picked up this Merlin hose reel, air hose, and I was going to put it above my bench up here and we'll see how that goes. Let's open it up and see what we got here. Curious if they gave me hardware to hang it. The manual. So we can squeeze this thing out of here. Alright, that was it for the box. Yep, no hardware to hang it, so we'll have to find something to use heavy duty to get it up in the beam there. All right, let's go check into that. Okay, the next step is we have to take the bracket with the mounting holes and we have to measure to the center of each side, and that is 7 1/4 to the center of each hole. Now, so what I did is I put 2 little puncture holes, one here and one here, for my 7 1/4. And now I'm gonna drill those out. Okay, let's switch bits. All right, let's get them screwed up there. I gotta get a wider tip. Okay, I put those 2 screws back up there, minus the bigger washers I had. Now, try to get this thing up. I wish I could take that bracket off, but I'm not sure how that bracket comes off by hand. Okay, so I slid it. I slid the plate on those oblong holes, the big one in the middle, and then you slide it over to a thinner part, which actually catches the bolt. And now what I'm going to do is put a screw in the middle of the bracket here. And then we're gonna check the 2 Phillips real quick. Able to get at the Phillips with this big housing in the way, but yeah, I can't tighten those down. It's too big of an angle. That's why I wish the bracket could be put up alone. But there's nothing that I see that removes this. I think that's pretty much it, right where it's at. Okay, right now I'm adding a bracket to get the hose off down this way to my compressor. And this bracket's just holding this up here. Okay, so what I did is I added a screw here, thinner drywall screw with a washer, just to keep it also sucked kind of tight. These are the ones that I had to leave a little bit loose to get this slid over. And this is the one I had to leave slightly loose, and then another screw. And then this bolt in the middle is just to kind of actually keep it all from twisting or getting weird. And then up here is the hose that goes from it, and it's going to go here, and it's going to go down this way and down to my compressor with this hose. Okay, that's pretty much it, and I'll hook up my air hose. I got to get a few more fittings, but that's pretty much it. A few more fittings, hook up the one hose here to my compressor. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.